Okay, these are just some of the materials that you guys can use to do our fairy tale steam project today, which is 3 billy goats gruff. We have our billy goats, and we have our troll. Of course, not everybody might have those kind of characters, so they don't have to be billy goats and trolls. I have some clothespins, pipe cleaners, little wooden skewers, an egg carton, popsicle sticks, a paper towel and toilet paper roll, packing tape, some glue, different canned foods, and some scissors. And of course, when we're using scissors, we want to make sure to get our grown-ups help. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to start with is the top of the bridge. I'm going to use the 2 wooden skewers. I want to make my bridge about the width of these popsicle sticks. And again, if you don't have popsicle sticks, there's lots of other things you could use. You could use foods like pretzels. You could use twigs. Or if you wanted to have a different kind of bridge, you could cut out some cardboard as well. Okay, so what we're gonna want to do is take our glue and do just a dab. And then press it down. And we're gonna keep going on like that. Then we're gonna let this dry so there it's nice and steady before we go on to the next step. The next thing I'm going to do while I'm waiting for the glue to dry is to cut up this paper towel roll. So I decided to measure this into 3 equal parts. So I used a ruler and I marked them off, and now I'm gonna cut them up. Okay, now that we have cut up the paper towel roll into 3 parts, and then I added the toilet paper roll that I had to make a 4th equal column for the bridge. But the toilet paper roll was a little higher, so I cut off the end of it. Now we have 4 pretty equal columns for our bridge. So now I've added some cans, some canned goods that I had around the house because they're nice and sturdy. But if you don't have cans of food, you want things that are gonna be just about the same size so the bridge is nice and level. You could build a Lego structure. If you actually had 4 longer paper towel tubes, you could use those. And now let's see if our troll can fit underneath. Make sure his hair is nice and tall there, and yes, he definitely fits underneath now. So let's see if those billy goats can come tromping across without disturbing him now. Clip clop, clip clop, clip clop, clip clop, clip clop. Oop. 3 billy goats, and even though that other billy goat fell over, we can still see that the troll was not disturbed. That's just one way to solve this fairy tale challenge, but there might be many other solutions. Maybe we want to make a pair of earmuffs for the troll, or quieter shoes for our billy goats. There might be many other solutions. All you have to do is use your creativity and anything you can find around the house to solve this fairy tale steam challenge. Thanks so much for trying. I can't wait to see what you guys create. Have a good summer.